This hour's top news story: an informant led officers to a cemetery just outside the small Texas community of Newt early this morning. Officers there discovered what appeared to be a grisly work of art, the remains of a badly decomposed body wired to a large monument.
Run from me, darling.
Hitchhiker? Should we pick him up? Oh, he's weird looking. No.
Where you headed, man?
South. I live right off this road. You can have dinner with us. My brother makes kimchi's real good. You like it?
Better run for your life.
You know where the old Franklin place is?
You boys don't want to go mess around an old house? Don't want to go fooling around other folks' property. Some folks don't like it. But those things is dangerous. You're liable to get hurt.
Hello? Anybody home? Hello?